Shande from Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. And today I am going to discuss about the how to calculate the intermediate temperature between the two engine or two reversible heat engine. Now let's see. There are the two reversible heat engine. The heat rejected by the engine A is directly to the engine B. Then find out the expressions of the intermediate temperature when the both engine are first one is a equal efficient and second one is a equal work is produced. Now let's see here. We have two engines like that. The engine number 1, the source temperature is T1, and here the intermediate temperature is a T2, like this. Now the heat will be supplied to the engine 1 is E1 and heat rejected to the engine 1 is the E2, like this. And engine 1E is produce the work done 1, like this. Now the same engine E2, here engine number E2, like this. When the heat EQ2 will be supplied to the engine E2, जो यहाँ से हीट रिजेक्ट हो रही है इंजन E1 से, वही हम यहाँ पे सप्लाई कर रहे हैं इंजन 2 को. This one is a Q and this is known as a Q3, another temperature. This one is a temperature T3, like this. And how to calculate the temperature T2? How to calculate the temperature T2? This is a intermediate temperature is a T2. इसके लिए जो इंजन 1 के लिए जो सोर्स का काम करेगा ये सोर्स हो जाएगा और ये आपका सिंक हो जाएगा. इन द केस ऑफ द इंजन 2 ये आपका सोर्स हो जाएगा और ये आपका उसके लिए सिंक हो जाएगा. नाउ लेट्स सी हियर. You know very well the heat engine, the efficiency is equal to for the heat engine is equal to 1 minus this one is a QH minus of the Q1, like this, right? Now let's see here. This one is a TN. You can write the T1 minus of T2 over the T1, like this. In this case from the temperature scale. This one is also lower temperature. You can write from the temperature scale. In the case of the reversible engine, both are the reversible engine. So we can write Q1 over the T1 is equal to Q2 over the T2, like this. Here 1 minus this is Q2 over the Q1, means you can write the formula of the 1 minus T2 over the T1 means T1 minus T2 over the T1, the efficiency of the heat engine, like this. Now look at the engine number 1. Engine number 1. When the efficiency of the engine number 1 is equal to the engine number 2, the efficiency of the engine number 1 is equal to the efficiency of the engine number 2. Now you can calculate the intermediate temperature like this. What is the efficiency of the engine number 1? Engine number 1 is a work between the temperature T1 and temperature T2 and produce the work is a W1, like this. The engine number 1 means the T1 and T2. You can write in the term of the T1 minus T2 over the T1 is equal to the efficiency of the engine number 2. Engine number 2 is this. This one a heat is supplied Q2 form and heat will be rejected into the Q3 form, like this. This engine number 2 is a work between this temperature T2 and this one temperature is T3, or this heat supply and this will be the heat rejected and work will be produced the like this. You can write the efficiency of the engine number 2. What is the efficiency of the engine number 2? It is work between the temperature limit T2 and temperature T3. You can write T2 minus T3 over the T2 like this. You can write this 1 minus T2 over the T1 is equals to 1 minus T3 over the T2. Right? Now, this one and this negative sign will be rejected. It will be cancelled, and T2 square is equals to T1 or T2. And you can write the T1 is root square of the T1 and where the efficiency of the engine A and engine B will be equal, then you can calculate the intermediate temperature from this temperature T1 and temperature T3 is a root of. This is a very important relations to find out the intermediate temperature between the two engines. Now the condition number 2 is when the engine number 1 is produced W1 and when the engine number 2 is produced the work done is W. The condition is that कि वर्क डन जो इंजन ये प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है वो इंजन 2 के बराबर हो जाए, तो फिर क्या आपको टेम्परेचर मिलेगा, इंटरमीडिएट टेम्परेचर उस केस में क्या होगा. लेट्स सी हियर. नाउ द वर्क डन, कंडीशन नंबर 2, द वर्क डन ऑफ द इंजन 1 इज इक्वल टू वर्क डन ऑफ द इंजन नंबर 2 व्हेन द वर्क विल बी सेम. जब दोनों का वर्क आपका सेम हो जाएगा तो आप क्या लिख सकते हो, the work done is nothing but from the equation from the engine number 1 you can write the difference between this. What will be the work done? You can write this one is a work done, Q1 is equals to inside is equals to outside. जितना आ रहा है उतना ही बाहर जाएगा. तो Q1 आ रहा है इस इंजन के ऊपर, बाहर कितना जा रहा है is equals to W1 plus Q2, and you can write the W1 is equals to Q1 minus Q2. Now this W1 is equals to Q1 minus Q2, and you can write the from the engine number 2 W2 is equals to Q2 minus of. Put the value in these equations. W1 is equals to Q1 minus of Q2 is equals to W2 is equals to this one is a Q2 minus of Q3. Now you can calculate or simplify this term. Now 2Q2 is equals to the Q1 plus of Q3. Right? This one is given in this side and this one is given in this side. Now Q2 is equals to Q1 plus Q3 over the 2. Now from the temperature scales you can write the Q1 over the Q2 is equals to T1 over the T2. Right? Now this one is a T2 is equals to the T1 plus T3 over the 2. Now put the temperature value 1 and temperature value 3 and you can get the intermediate temperature from this formula. Right? This is also important formula to find out the intermediate temperature. Now condition number 1 is the engine 1 की efficiency engine 2 के बराबर होगा, तो हमारा intermediate temperature कुछ इस तरीके से हम find out कर सकते हैं. And अगर conditions work equally produce करे engine number 1 and engine number 2, then you can definitely find out the intermediate temperature by this formula. T2 is equals to T1 plus T3 divided by. And this one is known as a geometric mean and this one is known as a arithmetic mean. Like this. Okay, thank you.